That's the only Bible, my Lord.
Your witness. Yes. Yes.
To regularize our
Yes. We have a lot on notice. This is what you have done before you say in your witness. Seeking for yes. 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 Yes.
My Lord, no, my Lord.
Look in terms. Look in terms. No objection. God, application granted as right. Yes, let's continue. You have off your mic.
Witness.
You have off your mic. So you have to on your mic.
Yes, I've unmuted you, sir.
Good. Witness, let me hear your counsel.
Witness,
I can hear you.
Dr.
I
Modi.
can hear you. I can hear you.
You can hear me. Very good.
Okay.
Oh, there is phone.
Speak up. Whenever I ask you questions or I speak to you, please speak up.
Okay.
Okay. So, witness, tell the court your name and your address, please.
My name is Dr. Omoni Akimboboye Fashuba. Number 5, Adewale College, Ekute Quarters, Ado Ekiti.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a lecturer with the Federal Polytechnic Ado Ekiti, though presently self-employed due to the refusal of the Federal Polytechnic to pay my salary since January 2015 without any
No.
justification.
Just your occupation, please.
I'm a lecturer with the Federal Polytechnic Ado Ekiti.
Very good.
Let's proceed.
You are muted.
Your mic is muted. I don't know why. Your mic is muted.
It's on now, sir. Witness.
Yes, my counsel.
Remember you deposed to a written statement or note?
Yes, I did.
Before this honorable court on the 12th day of August 2022. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. You also deposed to another written statement or note in respect of the same matter before this honorable court on the on the 6th day of November, on the 6th day of November 2023. Is that correct?
Yes.
Very good. Is this your written statement or note? The one dated 12th August 2022. Is this your signature?
Yes, that's my signature.
Yes, good. What about this?
Are you tendering to witness statement?
My lord, sir.
Are you tendering to witness?
No, because of the application we file in compliance with new format. So I just want him to identify.
It's not to substitute the first one. Why are you bothering yourself with the first one? What is our business that already proceeded?
Witness.
Yes.
Do you want to adopt it as your evidence in this matter?
Yes, I do.
The one dated 6th day of November 2023.
Yes, I do.
Okay, you want to adopt it as your evidence?
Yes.
Yes, good. Yes, he said he will adopt it as his evidence.
You asked him he wants to adopt. He said yes.
Yes, my lord.
So,
witness,
I'm hearing you.
do you adopt this as your evidence?
Yes, I adopt it as my evidence.
Good. Witness, in your written deposition, you pleaded and made reference to 30 documents. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
That's very good. Can you identify the said documents if you see them?
Yes, I can if I see them.
Good. They are attached, sir. Yes. We just want to. We want to tender it, sir.
Tender how? It's already on court.
Yes, my lord.
you know already before the court on court.
The court on note.
How do you tender when you already put the court on court? It came with the witness statement on us already.
Yes, my lord. We are talking about documents, sir. The document, the exhibit attached. And he said he listed 30
Yes,
documents.
that is correct. He listed them and he attached them on board. So which one do you want to tender? You want to tender the original?
Yes,
So you want to tender it through him?
my lord, sir, we seek to tender the document attached.
The documents are already before me on board.
Yes, my
So
lord.
what are you tendering?
We want to tender the document, sir. It has
Okay,
not been
tender,
it has not been
what you
admitted.
want to tender.
We want to admit it as evidence, sir. We are
It's
guided
like
by the
when
court,
we
sir.
talk, you don't understand. I think they are already before the court on oath.
Yes.
So where does issue of admission come in again? Or where does issue of tendering come in?
Oh, sir, it's not yet an evidence. It's
Okay,
not
good.
yet,
Yes.
it's not yet admitted.
Okay, continue. Let's go on.
Witness,
Yes, my counsel.
You identify all the documents. Yes, it's right.
Yes.
Yes. We seek to send that in evidence, sir. The documents are
No, the last
listed.
one is that I can identify them.
And I shows him to him. He has it with him. He has it. Witness.
Yes.
Witness.
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. Are you with copies of the documents?
I have a copy of the documents.
Very good. Are these the documents? This is exhibit A1,
Yes, those are the documents.
A2, A2,
Yes. Yes.
B1,
Yes.
B2,
Yes.
B3,
Yes.
B4,
Yes.
Me, I have DOAF.
Hello, sir.
The way that my one is marked is DOF, F1, F2, and I'm hearing you. Okay, there
My
is
lord, sir,
DOF.
DOF, we just use it as initial for the
Okay,
defendant, sir. That's Dr. Money.
okay, okay. Yes,
Then C2, is it the C2? That's the study leave agreement. Look at it, witness.
Yes.
C3,
Yes.
C4,
Yes.
C5,
Yes.
C6,
Yes.
C8,
Yes.
D1, D1,
Yes.
D2,
Yes.
D3,
Yes.
D4,
Yes.
D5,
Yes.
D5, 1, D5, 2.
Counsel, he has all the copies there with him.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
my lord.
he said it's on record.
Yes, my lord.
So if you submit the wrong thing, it's left for you.
D5, 3.
Oh God!
Okay, ma. Thank
When
you, sir.
somebody talks, you don't make use of what he's saying.
Yes.
You showed him, say, I have copies of the document. These are copies of the documents that
Okay,
you
sir.
have. So move to the next page.
Okay. My lord, sir. Witness,
Yes, my counsel.
I'll be correct to say you can identify all the documents as listed on your list of.
Yes, I can identify those.
What is wrong with you, Cancer?
Yes, sir. I want
What
to.
is wrong with you? I have recorded him. How many times do I repeat? I've made reference to 30 documents. I can identify them. I have copies of the documents. These are copies of the documents. He has identified them. Move to the next
Sorry.
level. You are gone back to repeat yourself.
We are grateful for the guidance, sir. We are grateful for the guidance, sir.
Number one, this is Zoom trial. Once the exhibits are attached to his witness statement, they are exhibits before the court. You refuse. You are taking the long route. Okay, the man has identified them. You don't want us to leave court.
We are sorry, sir.
He has identified them. Because he has copies. This is a Zoom trial. He has given us advanced copies already. You have the originals. You want to tender the originals of what is already here. Then you want to waste all our time?
I'm sorry, sir. Witness.
Yes.
My lord, sir, we seek to tender the documents as evidence in this case.
You are who? You are
Ashefon, sir.
You seek to tender the originals, isn't it?
The original and the certified report.
Yes. Babalola. He's supposed to give you.
We shall object to tendering of some of the documents.
We
object.
Let me put sharp. We shall object to some of the documents. We reserve our submission for final written address. The documents, you said 30, isn't it?
Yes, my lord.
I think they are 30 there.
But we've tendered some of the documents, 3 of them, even 4. You
say what?
We tender 4 of the documents through the witness of the claimant, sir.
They are numbers what?
They are number. My lord, sir. Number 4, that is C1. Admission letter.
You are defendant, isn't it?
Yes, we are the defendant, sir.
Defendant
Katakina.
List of documents. Akure. Right. We are to omit numbers what? The ones you have tendered and numbers what?
The one we tender as a C1, sir, is listed as number 4 on our list of documents.
Number 4, yes.
Then number 17 on our list of documents, mark BC, that letter of restatement of salary. Sir.
So those are the 2 you have already tendered.
About 4. We tender for through them, sir.
You say what?
We tender for document through them.
I said number 1 and number 4 and 17 are the ones you have already tendered. Yes, only 2.
No, 4. Then number 18. That's memo on restatement of salary.
18 and what?
Memo on restatement.
Number 18 and what?
And number 24.
And 24.
24. No, and 24. It's mark F1.
Okay. The 20 that will be like 26 documents, right?
Yes.
The 26 documents are admitted in evidence and marked as exhibit OAF1 to OAF30 tender. According to the defendant list of documents at pages 443 to 444 of the court's file, omitting numbers 4, 17, 18, and 24, and ruling reserved till judgment. Thank you. So as you list them 1 to 30, that is how they will be recorded. But they will omit 4, 17, 18. There will be no number 4, 17, 18, or 24. And then they are all to be marked tendered. I will rule at judgment after hearing his objection. The ones he doesn't object, they will go. The one he objects, if I overrule the objection, they will go. If I uphold the objection, they will not be there. Thank you. All right. Did he not pray in his witness statement? So why are you asking him to? Witness, do you want the court to grant your claim? That's the question.
Yes, I want the court to grant my counterclaims.
To grant my counterclaim. Thank you. Now you will be cross-examined by the other counsel.
Thank you, my lord.
Yes. Just a moment. All right. Why is your video not on? Can you go and help him? Let them go and help him with his video. what?
He doesn't have.
You said to hear him.
I applied in my own phone. Okay.
But this is streamlined. It's being recorded, so it ought to be seen. So you may need to sit with the other councillors so that you use the same.
Dr. Kashiba, can you hear me and see me now?
I can hear you, but there is a lot of echo there.
You can hear him, but what?
Of
Echo. There are background sounds there.
Ask your question. Go on.
Where are you connecting from?
I'm outside the country. I'm currently outside the country.
Where? That's the question. Where?
Canada.
Yes.
Say that your employment is governed by the public service rule.
I can't hear you clearly. Can you repeat that, sir?
Your employment with the federal polytechnic, the claimant, is governed by the public service rule.
Okay. One.
It's governed by what,
You
sir?
understand?
The public service rule, sir.
Yes.
The public service rules.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
You are very well acquainted with the rules.
I can't say I'm very well acquainted with the rules, sir.
But you are expected to be acquainted with it.
Can you repeat that, sir?
All right, sir.
If not. No. Look at it here. It's all AF. I cannot say I am very conversant, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, my lord.
With the TSR. Okay, let's go on.
Every officer that is expected to be conversant with it. The public service rule.
Answer, please. We are on Zoom.
I can't hear him clearly. It's not coming through clearly, sir.
Ask the question again.
I ask that every officer of your status is expected to be acquainted with the service rule.
My lord, is it possible for somebody to relay his message?
He
My lord.
said every public officer of your cadre is expected to be acquainted with the civil service rules.
Yes or no?
Yes or no?
No, my lord.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. Doctor.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You were sponsored for a PhD in materials engineering.
Yes, sir.
Let's go on.
Yes, my lord. And I will be correct that it was a rare course, even at that time, for sponsorship.
I don't agree to that, sir.
Let's go on. Let's proceed.
So as of the time you were sponsored, you are saying that there were many others. There were many others of your cadre who had that PhD degree in material sciences.
Can you repeat that, sir?
As of the time of the sponsorship, can you hear me, sir?
Yes.
As of the time of the sponsorship for this program, there were many others with that same degree in the polytechnic.
As of the time of the sponsorship, there have been people who have been sponsored before me.
Hello, sir.
Hello, I'm hearing you, sir.
As of the time of the sponsorship for a PhD in material sciences and engineering by the Polytechnic, are you saying that there were many others with that degree in material sciences?
I don't know if there are others with a degree in material sciences then.
Say what?
I don't know if there are many others. He said many others. I don't know if there are many others with a PhD.
Do you remember if there were any others?
I don't know, sir.
Can you remember if there were any others?
Any other?
Yeah, I cannot remember. I don't know if there are many other people.
If there were any
that one is many others. This question now is any others. Did you know of any others?
I don't know of any other person.
Okay. Yes.
Doctor.
Yes, sir.
Do you agree that it was not all who applied for this sponsorship as this they were given sponsorship?
I don't know how many people applied. So I don't know if some other people were denied or approved.
Approved.
Let's go on.
Yes, my lord. Doctor.
Yes, sir.
In the paragraph 62, statement on notes that you adopted money.
Yes.
You stated that you spent 5 academic years for the PhD program. Paragraph 62.
Yes, it's there. Ask the question. Ask your question.
That was from the year 2010 to 2014. Hello, sir.
I'm hearing you. I'm listening.
I said that
But
period
it's
of
there
5
now.
years.
It's written there. Why are you asking him? He said between 2010 and 2014. Is that not what he wrote? And you want to ask him is between 2010. That is foundation. So what's the question?
You signed an agreement, a study leave agreement with the claimant.
Yes.
Is it true?
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
It's also true that the bond you signed was for a period of 3 years.
It was for a period of 3 years with an option to extend.
We are coming there, sir.
You said it was for a period of 3 years and what?
With an option of an extension, my lord.
Yes.
You applied for extension only once.
What did you say, sir?
Particularly in October 2012.
I
That
applied
you
for
applied for
extension.
extension only one. Only
I
one.
applied for
Particularly in
extension.
October 2012.
Yeah, I did in
Yes.
October 2012. Then I applied again for an extension in 2014, 2013.
October 2012 and which month 2013?
And 2014, I believe. But I have all the documents tendered.
Which month in 2013?
Sir, he's not being specific, sir.
July, sir.
He's saying 2013, 2014, which
2012,
exactly?
2014.
2013 and 2014.
2012
So
October.
you are telling the court that you applied for extension 3 times. Is that what you are saying, sir?
I'm telling the court I applied for extension 2 times. I'm very sure of October 2012, but I have all the documents submitted for the second extension. It's on record. It has been tendered.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. Maybe it seems to be available with exhibit FC10. FC10. Tendered by the claimant.
You have exhibit FC10 with you. You have exhibit FC10 with you.
Doctor, that's the...
Look at how they describe it in their own...
I will be with you shortly. That is
DOFC7.
document number...
Exhibit DOAFC7 by your own marking.
Is it not
but it's listed as number 10.
C5, my lord. C5, I suppose, my lord. That's numbered.
That's number 8.
On the...
You have exhibit DOAFC5 with you, right?
Yes. Title letter of resumption. Dated the 3rd day of February 2014.
Yes. You have that letter with you there?
Yes, sir.
Good. Ask your question.
That was the letter. I suppose that is the letter in which you indicated that you applied an extension. Is that the letter?
I don't know which of the letter you are referring to.
Look, you said you have it there. It is marked exhibit DOAFC5, letter of resumption dated 3rd February 2014. Have you seen it?
Yes, sir.
Good. He said, is that your...
Is that the letter you referred to as the letter by which you requested for an extension in 2014?
No, that's not the letter.
All right.
I see exhibit OAF5, right? Or 8, no.
5.
OAF8. That's how we marked it. He marked it DOAFC5, but we have marked it OAF8. The way they have listed, we are using the listing numbering. OAF. It is not the application for extension in 2014, isn't it?
Yes, my lord.
All right.
Can I go on, sir?
Go on.
I would be right to say that this particular letter was written at the time you had not completed your PhD program.
That particular letter was the PhD program is only completed.
Let him finish. Let him finish.
The PhD, any PhD program is only completed when you are done with your thesis defense. That letter.
At the time you wrote this letter in 2014, had you finished your PhD program?
No, my lord, I have not finished, my lord.
That's the question. Yes.
Also, Doctor, do you have with you there exhibit DOAF9?
It is listed as number what?
Yes, listed as number 9. Another letter
listed as number 9. Their own in their list, how it is marked with him is DOAFC6. Why can't you see? You are not using their list, are you? Because what he has marked there is according to their list. So it is listed as number 9, but it is marked DOAFC6.
DOAF6.
Yes. Do you have DOAFC6 as your own marking?
Yes, my lord.
Good.
That letter is also titled letter of presumption.
Dated when, sir?
That letter that we are referring to.
You see, you said you have it and you must ask for the date. You don't have the date there. When you say you have the document marked DOAFC6, did you not say you have it?
I do, sir. I have it, my lord, sir. I just want
Fine,
to know.
so you don't know the date there. Must be they want to tell you the date.
That letter is also titled letter of presumption from 30B.
Yes.
Yes.
As of the time you wrote this letter, you were not in Nigeria, you were not with the claimant. You were not present.
As of the time I wrote that letter, I was in Nigeria.
And he said you were not with the claimant.
I was with the claimant. I was in Nigeria with the claimant.
Yes, let's go.
Please, direct your attention to paragraph 3 of the same letter.
Yes. Look at your paragraph 3.
Paragraph 3 of that same letter.
What's the question?
Ask the question.
Particularly the second sentence, where you say that you are traveled to the UK on the 4th of July 2014. Can you see that, sir?
Yes, I can see that, sir.
Am I right to say that you are traveled back?
So if I write a letter and submitted the letter, before the letter gets through the relevant authorities, I had traveled. But the letter was written.
Because it is dated on August. I would like to say that it was dated the letter.
I did not postdate the letter. I wrote the letter before it got to the relevant authorities. I knew I would have traveled by then. I have evidences of my notification
You did
to
not postdate the letter. Next question.
Doctor, it's stated in your statement on hold.
In my what, sir?
Paragraph what?
Paragraph 58.
It's not me. He asked.
Paragraph 58.
And that's the way you were supposed to ask it. You stated in paragraph 68 that you were demoted. Can you see your paragraph 68?
Yes, my lord.
Yes, I know. Yes, he has seen it. So the question now.
Do you have any letter that
Is it promoted or demoted?
promoted? I put it to you that.
Wait now. I want to read now. You read that you are paragraph 68. You read it.
Do you mean I should read it, my lord?
No, not you, the council. Read paragraph 68 that you are referring to.
The council member was delivered
Is paragraph 68 of what?
of the witness statement.
Okay, maybe I'm not looking at the witness statement on oath. First defendant, Dr. Omoni, witness statement on oath. Are there two paragraphs 68? First defendant's counsel, do you have two paragraphs 68? Yes. The amended one is the one on the motion on notice now. The one accompanying the motion on notice, isn't it? Okay. Wait first, just sit down. You are using the one we just adopted, the one.
The one dated
6 November 2023, the one just deemed today, isn't it? Give me the original, the fresh copy. Maybe the fresh copy is different from the exhibit. You said paragraph what?
paragraph 15, just discover that there are two paragraphs in the safety.
Two paragraph 68. Okay, the second paragraph 68 after 69. Yes, so it's not your fault, it's the drafter's fault. So it is your second paragraph 68 after 69. And then we have another 69. So your second paragraph 68. Yes.
Of your statement on food.
Yes, he had said yes. I just wanted to be sure. He said he was demoted. So what's the question?
There is no letter. Motion. Issued to you.
Were you issued a letter of demotion?
Wasn't issued a letter of demotion, but
Okay.
if the Polytechnic published the list
Let
of
me hear you. Did you say you were not issued a letter of demotion?
I would say indirectly it was a letter of demotion by that publication.
The question is, were you issued a letter of demotion?
I cannot say yes, sir, because I don't know which correspondence was sent to my department. But I was demoted by that publication, by that list that was made public by the Polytechnic, referring to me as a lecturer one, whereas I was a senior lecturer. All other position of all my colleagues were correct. I was the only one that was demoted in that publication.
So, your department because you were not around. You were not on ground.
My lord, as of the time the publication was out, I already withdrew my service. And I got information from somewhere that I have been demoted. There are letters that were sent or that were not sent. And
As at the time the publication was out, you were already what?
I have already withdrew my service from the Polytechnic as of the time the publication was out.
You said you got information.
What did you say, sir?
You said you got the information from.
I later saw that publication after withdrawing my service.
All right.
Apart from the sponsorship fund, the claimant was not obligated to pay additional funds for the sponsorship, according to the agreement.
The claimants knew very well. They knew that tuition shall increase year on year before signing the agreement.
There was no agreement that they will pay additional funds apart from the principal fund that was paid to you.
There was an agreement that the claimant would pay an additional fund towards my tuition and living costs based on my admission letter.
Outside the 15 million naira.
Based on my admission letter, the claimant was aware that there are additional costs.
I am saying that the agreement.
He said there was an agreement. Why don't you listen to him before asking your question?
My lord, the admission letter is part of the agreement, so the claimant knew. In October 2012, the claimant also knew that additional costs
Let's
were
proceed.
incurred.
Let's proceed. That is Olabi. Re-examination. This is Musa. Ashefon. And that is the case of the defendant. All right, witness.
Lord, sir.
We thank you. We thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, my lord.
That is all for you.
Thank you, my
Yes, you
lord.
asked for how many days? How many days to file your final written address? And 7 days for reply. Afolabi, how many days? We asked for 14 days upon service. Check the date. Case adjourned for adoption of final written addresses on a date to be communicated to parties. So you are to file your processes. Okay. That is the end of the Zoom meeting, and we shall all